Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best router tables that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Router Tables. The first ever handheld router was invented in 1915 by Oscar Ansrud and his son Rudy. Their design used compressed air to operate at 30,000 revolutions per minute. We have over 100 years of development, and in that time the router table has been well established. Finding the best router table when there are over 300 router tables available to choose from can make choosing the correct one difficult. Number 5. Craig PRS 2100 Benchtop Router Table. This makes the Precision Benchtop Router Table a perfect routing solution, whether they want a router table to use on a job site or compact router table to use in the shop. Main features: full-size router insert plate, heavy-duty steel stand, easy slide surface. Number 4. Go Plus Electric Aluminum Router Table. This router table converts routers into stationary power tools, making woodworking easier. It comes with ample working space and fits most router bits. Main features: rugged durable frame, multifunctional fence, retractable guard. Number 3. Bosch Cabinet Style Router Table RA1171. The cabinet style functionality, expanded and precise material support, and a dual outlet switch make this the perfect solution for woodworkers. Main features: aluminum router mounting plate, cabinet style design, easy to use. Number 2. Bosch RA1141 Portable Benchtop Router Table. Starter pin and guard allows easier control for routing curved workpieces. Bistro height gauge provides easier bit setup. Main features: easy click router mounting system, 2 adjustable featherboards, ultra portable design. Number 1. Bosch Benchtop Router Table RA1181. This router table is a versatile piece of equipment that will serve as an indispensable part of any woodworking shop. Its 2.5-inch dust collection. Main features: rigid aluminum mounting plate, extra tall aluminum fence, benchtop router table design. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.